sexual transmitted disease infection pose a significant concern within the maritime industry, impacting the health and well-being of seafarers. The nature of maritime work often involve prolonged period away from home, leading to social isolation and increased risk-taking behavior, including unprotected sex in port cities or among crew members. The confined environment abroad ship can facilitate the spread of STD, STI due to limited access to healthcare and privacy concern inhibiting individuals from seeking necessary medical attention. Additionally, varying regulation and culture difference across port may affect the ability and quality of sexual health services for seafarers. Addressing STD in marine sector requires multifaceted strategies prevention through comprehensive education awareness campaign on board can empower seafarers with knowledge about safe sexual practices, the, the importance of regular screening and access to condoms and other preventive measures. Moreover, ensuring adequate healthcare facilities and trained medical personnel on board or within port areas is crucial. This includes implementation protocol or confidential consultation testing and treatment of STD, emphasizing the importance of confidentiality and encourage seafarers to seek help without fear or stigma or precaution. Industry-wide collaboration among maritime companies, regulator bodies, health organizations, and port authorities is essential to establish standardized guidelines and practices for managing the prevention STD among seafarers. This collaboration can promote uniform access to health care services and streamline procedures of addressing sexual health concerns across the different ports worldwide. In inclusion addresses STD in the marine industry necessitates an comprehensive approach encompassing education, access to healthcare, and collaborate effort among stakeholders, prioritizing the sexual health and well-being of seafarers not only enhance their quality of life but also contribute to a safer and more sustainable maritime work environment.